To assemble this bed base, carefully remove the contents from the box. Lay out the two long metal side panels on the left and the right. Lay out the two smaller side panels at the head and the foot, making a rectangle. Remove the hardware from the packaging. Place the bottom brackets at all four corners. The bottom brackets have the rivet nut attached. Insert the panels into the bottom bracket so the raised portion of the bracket fit into the holes in the panels. After inserting adjacent two panels, attach the top corner bracket, insert the screw, and thread into the rivet nut in the bottom. Tighten until the corner is snug and tight. Repeat this process for all four corners. Insert the crossarm assemblies into the grooves of the side panel. Attach a foot plug into the leg through the bottom of the side panel. Repeat this process for all the crossarm assemblies. Enjoy your metal bed base!